This segment is sponsored by PLEIJ Salon.
If you're looking for relaxation and luxury, then PLEIJ in Polaris is where you need to be. They offer services for men, women, and children, focusing on wellness and also making you look your best and feel your best. We're speaking with Miss Tashay, the owner here. Oh, it is wonderful being in here. So fancy too.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here.
Absolutely. Now we want to talk about you guys' open house that you're having because you're celebrating 1 year of being open.
Yes.
So talk about the open house and what people can expect to see.
Well, we're going to have a full house. We're going to invite different vendors that we have collaborated with. And we're going to have a lot of door prizes as well as giveaways. And then just the opportunity for our professionals to talk about their specialty services that they're offering.
Well, we're giving them a little preview today. So we're going to walk through and you're going to showcase what they are going to see whenever they come for the open house. And kicks off at what time?
4 o'clock.
All right, let's get to see what we have here at PLEIJ.
All right.
Something that I wish I had to enlist in these services here is hair. We're in the hair department right now.
Absolutely, yes.
Talk a little bit about what we see here.
So right here, this is our hair department, and we kind of like to keep things a little bit separated so we have a nice flow going throughout the salon. So right now what you're looking at, this is the hair where we strictly just do hairstyling and cutting.
As we're seeing now, women and men can come and participate.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, that's why we just didn't want to be considered just like a beauty salon, you know, because of course most males are kind of like intimidated by that. But we welcome everyone.
And as we walk a little bit further in, you guys, it just gets bigger and bigger. It's a huge area. More of the hair restoration area that we see back here. And it's really like a lounge, comfortable area that we have.
And the reason for that is because I wanted to make sure that I provided a private area for those specialty services. Because not only this is for hair extensions and for wigs, but also too, I have a lot of clients for religious purposes that cannot expose the hair to the public. So now they have a private place they can come to and still receive the same quality service as everyone else.
Now after a long, hard day of work, everyone needs to relax. And we talked about the salon, now we're talking about the spa.
Yes.
Oh, let's get into it.
Well, and right here, we're standing in our pedicure and manicure area. And what makes this area very unique is that I am really big on customization. So all of our polishes are eco-friendly, non-toxic, and vegan. So that just means that it doesn't have all the harmful chemicals, so that's why you don't smell anything.
Yeah.
Smells nice and clean, which is really nice for the clients as well, for their experience.
We see another really cool space that they're doing here. Talk to us about that because this is interesting.
Absolutely. So this is our esthetician room, and this is where we do all of our skin therapy treatments. And right now what the client is receiving is LED therapy. And we use the device called the Opera Mask, which is amazing. It helps with your individual skin issues. So if you have inflammation, or if you have scarring, or you need tightening to the skin, this mask will help assist you with that.
Oh, you guys, I'm getting excited. Let's go see what else they have back here because now we're moving into another area of the salon and spa. What do we have in here?
Yeah, so this is another esthetician room, but also what's unique about this room is that we also offer red light therapy. And this is what we call the Juve. And I use this pretty much every day. It helps with inflammation. So clients that are dealing with arthritis, scarring, weight loss, hair loss, this device will help assist with that.
I'm excited about all the services that you guys offer, and it's exhausted me talking about it. So now we need to get a massage.
Yes,
Talk about the massage space.
The massage is amazing, and we have the best therapist that's out there. Her name is Linda, and she actually does more functional massage. And the nice thing about this massage is that also too you can get your functional massage, but then if you get your scrubs or your oils, you can easily just take a shower. all in one room, so you kind of just feel safe in one spot.
And we want you to come and check it out, but if they can't come and make it today, where can they find out more information?
Please follow us on Instagram. You can follow us on Facebook at PLEIJsalon.com, or you can easily just call us at 614-54-SALON.
All right, Mr. Shea, I'm ready for a massage.
All
so
right.
I'm gonna lay on down, and we can't wait for the open house.
That's good.
Tough gig right there, tough gig. Now